We're going to show you an easy way to peel tomatoes. First, we're going to rinse off all the tomatoes. If they're store-bought, you might want to use a little vinegar to clean off any pesticides. These were out of the garden, so we're just giving them a good rinse here. And then I like to put a little slit on the bottom of each tomato. Try not to go too deep, but it's not going to hurt it if you accidentally do go through on a soft one. If you forget to put a slit, it's not going to hurt anything. The slit just helps them peel a little bit easier. And then we're going to drop them in water. I like to go with water that is very close to boiling. It can be boiling, but very close. It's a little bit safer for my hands, so it's not splashing up. You want to boil them for about a minute, and then I like to use an ice bath. If you do not have ice ready, you can put them in very cold water for a minute. That is okay too. I just like to use the ice. It shocks them and it helps them to peel easier. They're not going to be hot, so after about a minute, you can start peeling them. They didn't cook for very long, so they're not heated all the way through. They are safe to touch after being in the cold water for a minute. And there they are, nice and peeled.